Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Ima Talk Updates, and I'll bring you another means of earning, of accumulating a crypto coin. All right, so as you can see on my status now on my dashboard, I have $20.25. All right, and this is what I gained from Atoshi coin. All right, so I'm just going to show you how you can make this money. Please subscribe now if you love tutorial like this. Okay, this is the Atoshi dashboard. It's called Atoshi, where you can earn some coin by just mining. You visit it daily, and then you see these floating balloons there. You see some balloons that are floating. Those are the balloons that when you click on it, it will just accumulate some points to your Atoshi dashboard. As you can see, I have 23,561. So if I click on anyone now, it depends on the timing. You see timing on the body. All right, but I'll show you how to do that. Now I just went to check on my balance, my account. So as you can see, I have $20.23 in USDT. All right, so now I want to show you how you can mine, but before then, let's navigate to activity. Right, let's click on activity. This is the app. This is how the app looks like. If you click on activity, this is what you will see. All right, you see advert, and then also you have a place where you can do your daily sign in. So when you sign in for the first time, it will accumulate some points to you. As you can see, I have about 516 points here. And so when you scroll down, you will see where you have daily tax. Right, you can have those daily tax, and then you can refer your friends. So when they come and then they decide to sign in, you can at some point to be accumulated to him or her. At the same time, this point will be accumulated to you, so you can see other tax. All right, pay attention to these tax. You can do what? Join the Telegram channel or subscribe to them on X, follow them on X, and then you'll get it. So let me show you how to carry out a tax. I see these floating balloons, right? This is where you carry out your daily tax also. So I just click on the one that is showing yellow. It will just move out. Now the other ones, the yellow is not that bright because I've attempted on it. All right, so when it is bright, you will see that there's one. There will be one will be written on it. That means you can mine now. So I just click on the navigation button, thinking to see other activities that is happening there. So I just took it to where the KYC is. This is the KYC, and this KYC is where you need what you need to do to make sure that you get verified KYC, and then you can place your withdrawal. All right, so as you can see, I've only passed the first KYC because I just joined, and I'll be referring a lot of friends too. So after then, you see places where you can confirm that the following information are true. Just a process of what? Doing KYC. Any event that has KYC, you should know that it's serious, most especially. All right, note, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just looking for ways that my followers can definitely earn or make money online. So you can see, you can also do your ID verification. All right, you must be sure that you belong to a country, and then since you belong to a country, definitely you will be able to get verified. Now this Atoshi coin, as you can see, is something you can transfer. Already people are cashing out with it. People are transferring it. People that has accumulated a lot, they transfer some Atoshi coin to their friends, and then they pay them in USDT. All right, so it is wise that you start mining on time now that the project is still fresh. So as you can see, this is the dashboard I took you back to. Remember, when you refer a friend, you will definitely make more coins. All right, now this is the process that if you want to withdraw, it has Atoshi withdrawal rules. All right, withdrawals are only available to accounts that are what link monthly, that you have to be working on this app monthly. Minimum withdrawal is what? 100 Atoshi. One withdrawal per month is allowed per eligible user. Now, gas fee is what? 2 USDT. It is like $2. Withdrawal process within 30 days. All right. To qualify for withdrawal, you need what? To have at least 4 KYC referrals. You refer like 4 people and they have done their KYC. All right, guys, go ahead and try it. Refer your friends to earn more. And don't forget, if you want to try that, join my Telegram channel. All right. Bye bye.